Hi guys, this is Gaurav here.
Hello, this is Manish.
Yeah, and in this session we'll be covering ratios or like spread strategies and derivatives. As placement seasons have commenced, many people are asking about what do you mean by these strategies. So we'll be discussing about these strategies. Basically, in this video, we'll be discussing about only bullish strategies. So the prerequisite for someone who's watching the video is to know the concept of in the money, at the money, and out of the money, and should know basic of call and put. What does the call mean? What does the put mean? All right. So once you're watching, please read about it then watch, or else this strategy will be a big bouncer for you guys. So we'll be taking the help of a website, Sensible website, because there we'll be giving you some practical exposure directly with the payout diagrams and all. So without wasting any time, let's move ahead. And Manish, are you ready to explain? So if you guys notice my
Yeah,
screen,
yeah, sure, sure.
these are the different strategies. And if you see, so Manish will be taking us through with bull call, sell put, and
Okay.
bull call spread. So Manish, just give me a moment. I'll just open the screen for you so that, yeah,
Yeah, yeah, sure.
here is the buy call. So you can go ahead. What do you mean by a buy call and all?
Uh, so basically, you have seen that it is a weekly option of a Nifty future, Nifty options, and it will be expiring on 17th of September. And currently, the strike price is 11,450, and the future price is 11,467.
Hmm.
So basically, it is a ATM strike price, and the premium price is 99.51.
Hmm.
Now, when we will be going for a when we will be buying a naked call, it is when we are extremely bullish and we see that the underlying asset, which is basically Nifty, and if the Nifty will be going up sharply, then we will be going for a naked call option.
Okay.
So here in the payout diagram, as you
So
can
Manish,
see,
I'll help them out here. So basically,
yeah, sure,
I'll
sure.
just sum it up what you're saying. Basically, what Manish is saying that you buy a bull naked call when you expect market to go up. So see the
Yes.
payout diagram. So what he's saying is you're buying a call at 99.5 rupees. If you notice the Manish, you were talking about this, right? The premium price is nothing but the price at which you can buy a
Yes,
call.
yes. The premium price is basically which you pay. So
Yes,
it will be the initial outflow,
yes,
and after this, so you should. I hope that you must be knowing what is the basics of call option.
yes.
So this is a premium which we will need to pay in order to buy the call option.
Yes.
And
So,
payoff
so
diagram it is there.
So let's go ahead. So if you notice, guys, your profit increases as Nifty moves up. And if you notice, if Nifty is at 11,600, your profit. One second, we'll be taking the expiry day itself. We'll be taking the expiry day payout diagram. So if you see, if a Nifty expires at 11,550, you'll earn 37 rupees. If it expires at 11,600, you'll earn 3,700. So on and so forth. As and when Nifty moves up, your profit starts increasing. Right, Manish? This is what we're talking about.
Yes, yes, and as you can also see that if the Nifty is
Going
below
down.
11,450, then the call option will be worthless, and you will be losing the premium amount, entire premium amount which you have paid.
Exactly. So what he's trying to say is you have initially paid 99.5 rupees. Basically, you're paying 100 rupees. Let's take a round figure. The lot size is 75. That means you're paying 7,500 rupees. So your risk is only
Yes,
of 7,500 rupees, and your Nifty should expire above a certain range to make profits. And for us here, that range is 11,550. That's what Manish means. So understand, in buy call, your profit is unlimited and your loss is limited. That is your initial outflow of premium. That's what you meant, Manish, right?
yes, exactly. So here there is also concept of break even. So as soon as the underlying will start moving above 11,450, there will be a linear increase in your profit. But we have to add the premium amount in order to get the break even.
Yes.
So we have to add 11,450 plus the premium amount,
That is
which
100
is
rupees.
roughly 100 rupees. So your actual profit will start coming after 11,550.
Yes.
So
So if you see that,
Gaurav, if you can point on that
see
the
it's
graph
already.
itself.
See, I already written here. See, it's already mentioned that
Yeah,
break
yeah,
even at
yeah,
expiry is
yeah,
at 11,550.
yeah,
So I'll point it
exactly.
on the graph as well. No problem. So if you see, if you just notice, if I put my cursor as 11,550, the profit is at 37.5 rupees.
Yeah,
Basically,
exactly.
what Manish meant. So your profit starts above 11,550. That's how your profit will move up. All right, guys. So this was about naked call, and there's nothing great about it. There's a normal buying and selling thing. Let us move to put. So Manish, when do you buy a put? When do you buy a put? I'm saying when do you buy a put? Can you
Okay,
explain?
so the next option is a put option.
Yeah,
So when we buy a put option, that means that we are expecting the market to go down.
perfect. So will you
Yeah.
sell the put? When you expect the market to go up, right?
Uh,
Then you sell a
like
put. Mein.
okay, that can be said, but to be
ये
more
basic
precise,
basic basic पे रहते हैं हम लोग.
yeah,
थोड़ा
yeah, that
depth
is
है.
the basic thing. Yes. That
Okay.
is the basic thing. But here we are also concerning. We are more concerned that the market should not go below certain level.
Yeah.
So in this particular example, if we are very much sure that the market will not go below 11,450, then but we are not sure about the up movement.
Yeah.
Then in that case, we can sell a put.
Yeah. So basically, what he's trying to say is, we have sold 11,450. If you see 17 July, 17 September, we have sold 11,450 put, and the premium that we have collected is 90 rupees. That's what you meant, Manish, right? So Manish is saying
Yes,
that
yes,
market will not go below 11,450. That is why you're selling that. So that even
yeah,
if the market expires at 11,450, you will get your 90 rupee premium, because
yeah,
on the final day of expiry, you calculate the difference between the spot price and the strike price. And if the market expires at 11,450, your strike price and spot price becomes zero, they become same, the difference becomes zero, and the premium automatically becomes zero. And whenever you sell a premium, so your value actually is taken as negative. So this will act as negative 90. So when will you make profit? When this value comes towards zero. यही बोल रहे हो ना मनीष आप भी?
yes. So
All right.
basically जब भी हम लोग put को sell करेंगे तो there will be initial inflow
Yeah.
and we will be taking the premium
Yeah.
and we are expecting कि हम लोग अगर पूरा का पूरा प्रीमियम अगर प्रॉफिट लेना है तो एक्सपायरी तक हमारा मार्केट वो लेवल के नीचे जाना ही नहीं चाहिए. सो इन दिस केस 11450 के नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए.
Yeah.
And the moment the market goes below 11450, we will start the premium amount which we have collected, that will start reducing
Yeah.
and our profit will be reducing basically.
Yeah.
And after some time we will be having losses, and the
Yes.
losses are
Losses
unlimited.
unlimited. If you see, we were expecting that market. Suppose I'll just change that. I'm expecting 11,450 पे Nifty extend होगा. So basically, guys, 90 rupees लिया है आपने. 90 into 75 करोगे तो 6720 ही आने वाला है. So the maximum profit you make is at 11,450. That is 6,007. ठीक है. अब मार्केट इसके ऊपर जा रहा है तो 6 मतलब आपका प्रॉफिट उतना ही रहने वाला है, क्योंकि पुट एनीवे जीरो हो जाएगा. ठीक है, क्योंकि आप
Yes,
पुट बेच रहे हो. बट खुदा ना खास्ता, अगर मार्केट ब्रेक्स 11,450 and we don't know where will it land up, मतलब suppose the market lands up at 11,000, your loss will be 27k. It goes down, keeps going down, the loss will increase. So this is what happened in the COVID era crash. People who had sold the options ended up making a lot of losses. So in bullish strategy, we have seen buy call. In buy call, you normally buy a call. In sell put, you're selling a put which is going reverse, expecting that the market will not fall below a certain range. Here, that range is 11,450, and we have seen the payout diagram. You make profits when market goes up. The market remains above 11,450, and once market goes below 11,450, your loss starts going to infinite level, to be precise, right? So these are the
yes,
two
yes.
basic. These are known as vanilla options, because
Vanilla options.
yes, they are known as vanilla options. Second name for these options are vanilla options. Now let us come to spreads. What do you mean by spreads? So Manish,
uh,
take us
yeah.
through with the spread
so
strategy.
uh,
One
so
second,
basically after coming,
I'll just reset the
yeah,
prices. Just give me a moment.
yeah, sure, sure.
11,446. Sorry, 464. Yeah, let's come.
Okay, so spread is something which involve more than one option,
Yeah,
option legs
yeah,
basically. So in this particular scenario, we have a bull call spread. So our overall view is bullish. So we are assuming that the market will go upside.
yes,
But here, as we see in a plain vanilla case, when we buy a call option, then the on in the upside the profit will be unlimited
hmm,
and the risk will be limited.
hmm.
But also in case of selling a put, the profit
Limited,
will be capped,
limited.
limited profit,
Yeah,
but risk will be unlimited.
yeah,
But here comes the combination of the two.
yeah,
not the
If you
combination.
notice,
Basically,
if you notice the
it is a
diagram,
spread of call.
yeah, and if you notice
Yeah.
the
If you
diagram
notice that,
itself becomes stagnant after a point. There you would have
yeah,
seen
so
a
the
linear
loss
graph,
will be minimum. Yeah, loss will be fixed,
and
and
profit will
after
be also.
certain strike, the profit will start. We will be having profit, but after one more strike, you can see the profit is also limited.
Yeah. So basically, the profit is limited, your loss is also limited. I'll give you a textbook example. Manish, if you could allow me to talk on this.
Okay. I'll take the example. So currently the underlying Nifty. Can you just scroll up?
Yeah. Nifty
As you
premium
can see, the
460.
underlying Nifty is 11,467. So what we can do is we can buy a ATM call option which is 11,450, and while buying we have to pay a premium of 99.5 rupees
Yeah.
for. Yeah, and at the same time, in order to reduce this outflow, we will be simultaneously uh, sell one call option which is above, which is basically OTM call option.
Hmm.
So we have one 11,650 call.
Okay, Manish, we have
Overall
lost.
premium has reduced.
Yeah, you're there, you're there.
So the overall premium has certainly reduced to 78
Hmm.
basically. So
Yeah.
our initial outflow has reduced.
Yeah.
So what we can say is, in the worst scenario, if the market is below 11,450, in such case, our overall loss will be 78 rupees into 75. So the
That is
overall loss will be
58.
78 into 75.
That is 5,800 rupees. That is what it is showing you, right?
And as soon as the market goes above 11,450, we will start making profit.
Profit,
And
that is
yes,
also capped. That is also capped.
yes, exactly. And the break even will come, which is equivalent to the difference between the strike price minus the premium which we are paying.
The difference between the strike price is 200. Premium which we are paying is
Close to
Manish, just
78.
give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Stop. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I think I have some issue. I'll just share the screen again. Yeah, Manish, go on. So you're just
Okay,
talking
so
about the difference between the strike that was 200 and the premium was 78.
yeah, so we have to add uh, at the ATM strike, we have to add this amount in order to get the break even level.
Hmm.
So in short, to conclude it, this strategy, we have to buy one ATM call option and sell one OTM option.
Okay. So basically ATM stands for at the money. At the money मतलब
Yes.
फ्यूचर प्राइस के पास वाला
A,
स्ट्राइक.
a, yeah, exactly.
तो वो 11,450 है. So we buy 11,450 का वन कॉल एंड वी सेल OTM. अभी OTM ऐसा नहीं है कि 11,650 बेचना है. It is up to you that how you
Yeah, up to
sell
you.
it. And I can sell 11,700 as well. But it depends on the loss which you're planning to make. So see, here your risk to reward ratio goes 1:2. So it depends on what you have to do. But basically in a bull call spread, you buy one ATM strike and you sell one OTM strike. समझ में है
OTM strike.
basic. ठीक है मनीष, let us come to bull put spread. Obviously bull call spread में we were buying a call and selling a call. So in bull put we'll buy a put and sell a put. Does that make sense to you?
Exactly.
Yes. But इधर भी वही करने वाले हैं हम लोग. We'll buy an ATM put. But will we buy an ATM put here? No, right? If we buy an ATM put, this will become a bearish strategy. So हम लोग ATM at the
Yes,
money put बेचेंगे और out of the money put buy करेंगे. Guys, understand?
exactly.
रिवर्स
Reverse,
है यहाँ पे.
reverse.
रिवर्स है यहाँ पे. बुल कॉल स्प्रेड में आप ATM कॉल बाय कर रहे थे. बुल पुट स्प्रेड में आप ATM पुट सेल कर रहे हो. बिकॉज हमने वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में बोला था ना, पुट बेचना मतलब बुलिश होना. ठीक है. So the strategy is you sell a ATM strike put and you buy a OTM strike put. So basically in this case would be 11,450 का put बेच के 11,250 का put buy कर रहे हो. Everything remains the same, guys. So we are not going into detail here because सब same है. Ratio call for first year students I'm avoiding, Manish, because that is थोड़ा basic, थोड़ा high level for them. So before concluding this एक बार revise कर लेते हैं. तो मैं तुम्हें क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ मनीष और तुम आंसर करो. बाय कॉल कब करते हो
Okay.
आप?
Okay. Buy call is when we are extremely bullish
मार्केट टू बुल.
and
प्लेन
yes,
वनीला
market
नॉर्मल
will go
प्रीमियम लो.
up. Plain vanilla
DSI.
option, buy one call option, and
या एंड
That's it.
बाय वन कॉल ऑप्शन, और जैसे जैसे मार्केट बढ़ेगा आप लोगों का प्रॉफिट भी इंक्रीज होता है, तो
प्राइस भी ऊपर, कॉल का प्रीमियम बढ़ते जाएगा।
सेकंड इज सेल पुट। पुट सेल करने में क्या है, आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो मार्केट एक लेवल से नीचे नहीं जाएगा, वहां से ऊपर ही जाने वाला है। तो इस केस में हम लोग एक्सपेक्ट
हाँ,
कर रहे हैं मार्केट 11,450 के नीचे नहीं जाएगा, तो यहाँ पे मेरा प्रॉफिट पता है मुझे स्टैग्नेंट है, बट यहाँ पे लॉस अनलिमिटेड है। सो गाइस, बाइंग अ कॉल
एग्जैक्टली।
प्रॉफिट अनलिमिटेड, लॉस लिमिटेड। सेलिंग अ पुट प्रॉफिट लिमिटेड, लॉस अनलिमिटेड। रिमेंबर दिस ना, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, पूछ सकता है वो आपका इंटरव्यूअर। नेक्स्ट, बुल कॉल स्प्रेड। बुल कॉल स्प्रेड बताओ मनीष, क्या करते हैं?
सो बेसिकली इस केस में भी हम लोग, हमारा व्यू जो होगा बुलिश ही होगा, बट इस यहाँ पे एटीएम ऑप्शन, एटीएम कॉल ऑप्शन को बाय करेंगे और एक ओटीएम कॉल ऑप्शन को सेल करेंगे, सो दैट अवर ओवरऑल जो आउटफ्लो हो रहा है वो थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा। एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस अपना रिस्क भी लिमिटेड होगा और प्रॉफिट भी लिमिटेड होगा।
Perfect, exactly. So इसमें we'll sum it up again. You buy an ATM at the money call and you sell out of the money call. बराबर है मनीष, करेक्ट बोला?
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट।
परफेक्ट। लास्ट स्ट्रेटेजी ले लेते हैं, बुल पुट स्प्रेड। इसमें आप एटीएम पुट बेचते हो और ओटीएम पुट बाय करते हो। क्लियर हो आप लोग? मनीष, is this clear?
यस यस,
I think
परफेक्ट परफेक्ट
we have
परफेक्ट।
covered four important strategies. That is, real again, one last time, guys, because it's your placement thing. Placement important है. So you buy a call, you sell a put, you have a bull call spread in which you buy a ATM call and you sell a OTM call. Then you have a bull put spread in which you sell an ATM put and buy a OTM put. बराबर है कि नहीं? Clear है?
परफेक्ट।
So I hope this video will make some sense. And if you all are confused, you all know who we are. We are from second year KJ Somaya. We are second year MBA students of KJ Somaya batch of 2021. Financial services are batch. So you guys can get in touch with us on LinkedIn. Also, you guys can post it on post it out in the comment box. And if you have our numbers, you can also contact us. All right. So hopefully, juniors, you like it. Do subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much.